Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is freedom. So for freedom, it took me a while to come up with something for freedom, because the first thing I think of with the word freedom is America, because they use the word a lot in a lot of their media. So I didn't want to do something about America though, so I thought about it a bit more, and what I have come up with is the post box, so the postal service. So when the post box was invented, it gave women a lot more freedom. Women were able to write letters and send them by themselves. They didn't have to depend on men to take their letters, or their staff if they were wealthy. They were able to just communicate with each other, and it gave women an awful lot more independence and freedom. So I don't have anything with a post box on it, which I was really surprised by. So what I'm going to do is letters and correspondence is what I'm looking at. And then I have this lovely Jane Austen image of a woman writing a letter. This is obviously earlier than the invention of the post box, but it'll work for a nice collage. We're just going to do a collage today, not too much going into it, just some nice collaging. And I have a few things that I've been looking through, lots of vintage images and lots of things to do with post in them. So we'll just create a nice simple collage today. This is a sticker page that's washi, so it's going to be kind of see-through, but I really love it and I really want to include the whole thing. Probably going to have to add some Pritt stuff to this. I completely forgot that I had these, but I have some stamps made with Jane Austen illustrations as well. So I think we can work those in. Maybe some flowers, that would be nice. I think this is from a Jane Austen book as well. See you can just about see the JA. And then I have this collection of mini envelopes that I have made. Let's see if we can work them in. And now I'm going to add some butterflies, just because I was thinking of adding a feather and the wax seal again, but I've already done that in the book and I don't like this, the quill and the envelope and stuff, and it would be great here, but I don't want to do the same thing again, and I think having some butterflies in would tie it into this page a bit as well. So here's my spread for freedom, honouring the history of the postal service and the post box and how it gave women so much freedom and independence. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.